make slime using this slimy delicious fast food studio. Let's open it and assemble. Wait, I'm gonna put it here. There. No, yeah. Why is it here? Wait. What did they do? There. Okay, wait. First, let me get this. Oh, this is a yeah. Ooh. Put it. Wait. Well. Wait. What? What is it? There. Now it's time to put the sticker on. Oh, yeah. Okay, you can put it on the hole too. I'm gonna do this one first. I'm gonna do, I don't know. Oh, you see? They have put it. So I'm gonna put it too. There. Here. Put it away there. Okay, fine. Here's our slimy delicious fast food studio. We're going to make ice cream, granita, and smoothie using with slime powder, color mixture, water, glitter for toppings. Let's start! Okay, you go first.
We're going to make what, Kayla? You're going to make ice cream or smoothie?
Smoothie?
Go! Show us how to make a smoothie. Oh!
This one. No, the color before that. Pink and blue. Take off now. Now we're going to put the coloring mixture. Then we're going to put water. Okay, now Kayla, she's gonna mix it. Now mix it first. Okay, now it's my turn. Why are you waiting? Okay, I'm gonna make ice cream. First, I'm gonna put the powder. Okay, then I'm gonna put the coloring mixture. Already? Yeah. Then I'm gonna put some water. Okay. Wait. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it too. I think yours is done. Wait, you can look at the side. No, more a little bit. Okay.
It's going to be slimy when you shake it?
Yes.
And then after, what will you do?
Put some glitter. Wait, I'm gonna see it. Just put them. Oh, it's sticky. But I have to mix it more. You think? Yeah, I think so. I have to. Look, it's sticky. It's not. But you can mix it with this now. Okay. How about take off?
After.
Can we put some? Ah,
Yeah, that's not.
it's already slimy now.
Yes, not yet.
But
You might be need some powder, slimy powder.
yeah.
Yours, Kylie.
Mine?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
it's too slimy.
Oh, slime. She can put some more. Done?
What is that? It's a smoothie, strawberry smoothie.
Yeah.
Okay, now I need to mix it. Some more.
No, shake it, not mixing.
Oh, yeah.
Me, I'm already done.
You think?
Yeah.
Just put it here. Then put some toppings.
Yeah, I'm gonna look what kind of topping I can put.
What are you going to put? Oh, that?
Yeah, first this. Whoa. And after that, I'm gonna put another one. But it's not this. It's not there. Gonna put this one.
Not out. Cause it's okay.
It's okay if I mix the toppings.
Wait, but it's okay. It's a lot now.
Now I'm gonna mix it again. Because it's just a sign. Look at this. It's just a sign. It's tired?
Yeah.
But you have to mix it more. For a super slimy. Look inside if it's already slimy or not.
No, not yet.
Because it means already slimy. Julie. I'm already done.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna play with it.
Can you show it? Can you show it? Can you show it here?
Mm.
Here.
I have to go and chill.
I think it's done.
Now I'm gonna take off my outfit here.
I already want to play. I'm gonna put some more.
Wow! Oh, that was so sticky. Ah! It did fall. How can I get it? Because it's sticky to him. It's sticking to me.
Just do it. Some more.
Why?
But after it's gonna be
Sticky.
no, it's not going to be sticky when you play with it.
If I play with it, it's not gonna be sticky
Yeah.
anymore.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, so sticky. Stickery. Go look at the inside.
Not yet.
It's not yet. But you don't look at if it's working or not.
Wait, let me get the stick.
We're not doing an ice cream thing. Yes, because me. Oh, so much sticking to my hands. There's a lot of slimy sticking to my hands.
I need to crush some.
Oh no, it's gonna fall.
Here's my ice cream. Now I'm gonna put some toppings. I can grab it.
I go.
There. Here's some toppings. It's yours, Kayla?
Yeah, that's mine.
Wow.
I put different toppings.
How about yours?
Now I'm gonna put some straw.
That's ice cream.
Yeah, but it's okay.
Now I'm gonna do my next one.
Okay, first I'm gonna just.
I have to put it a little bit aside,
Oh no!
because there's a little bit there.
No!
Now I'm gonna put some color.
Okay, it's my turn.
Yellow. Oh no. Actually, I want to put
Here.
nice smoothie.
Here is my slimy delicious ice cream. My name is Kylie.
My name is Kayla.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye!
Okay.
Wait, I need the blue one.
Of what? Oh, that's a little bit of my hand. But it's okay. Here. I'll put it in here. Cause... Wait, now I'm gonna put the water.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix it.
I'm gonna put just a little bit.
My name is.
But they're gonna hold it for me. There you go.
Stop! Okay,
Wow.
mine too.
Now I'm gonna close it and shake it.
I'm gonna put some